Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're diving into the step-by-step process of replacing the screen on your Surface 1796. Let's start with the tools you'll need for this repair. First, gather a precision screwdriver set, including Torx and Phillips heads. You'll also need a plastic prying tool, tweezers, and a suction cup for lifting the screen. Lastly, have some isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth handy for cleaning the internal components. Begin by powering off your device completely. Make sure to disconnect any accessories and unplug the Surface from its charger. Next, we'll need to remove the screws securing the screen to the device. Use your precision screwdriver to carefully unscrew the Torx screws along the edges of the device. Keep these screws safe, you'll need them for reassembly. Once all screws are removed, take the suction cup and place it near the edge of the screen. Gently pull up on the suction cup while using your plastic prying tool to slide between the screen and the device body. Be cautious not to damage any internal components. As you lift, ensure you're releasing any clips that may be holding the screen in place. After successfully separating the screen, you'll see the internal components. This is a great time to clean the area with isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Now, let's disconnect the screen from the motherboard. Locate the screen connector and gently lift the locking mechanism with your tweezers or prying tool. Carefully pull the connector out, this will free the screen from the device. If you don't feel comfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can have peace of mind. With the old screen removed, it's time to prepare the new screen for installation. Align it with the connector on the motherboard and gently push it into place. Make sure the connection is secure, and then close the locking mechanism to hold it in place. Before sealing everything up, it's wise to test the new screen. Power on the device and check if the display functions correctly. If everything is working as it should, you can proceed to reassemble the device. Reattach the screen by aligning it properly with the clips and gently pressing it down. Replace all the screws you removed earlier to secure the screen. Finally, clean the screen with a microfiber cloth to remove any fingerprints or smudges from the installation process. If you find that you don't have the right tools, don't worry. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have everything taken care of without any hassle. Plus, with our quote before repair policy, you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of cost. No calls, no travel, just a simple, streamlined service. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the screen on your Surface 1796. Make sure to power on the device and enjoy its new display. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.